everybody, and thank you all for tuning into my channel. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So today we will be creating a lip balm holder using cardstock, and I got my template from Cricut. Okay, so if you are a Cricut user, make sure you utilize all of the different files that they have in their folders. So let me show you all the pieces that I have. Okay, so I have my back piece here, and this is how they will open it up. As you can see, I have this little cut lines and everything. Now, I didn't know exactly which one I wanted to use, if I wanted to use the pink one or the red one, but I finally went with the pink one. So I want to use the pink design, but I'm going to place this on the back because I do want it to be a bit more thicker. So I'm going to sandwich these two pieces together first, using some hot glue. So I'm just going to line these two pieces up together. And I'm only doing it section by section. I don't want to do it all at one time because I do not want my glue to dry, okay? So you're just going to continue this until you have both of your pieces sandwiched together. So you will need one of these little pockets for your lip balm. Place your lip balm inside, and now you're going to place that on the base of your cardstock piece, okay? So I'm just lining it up to make sure that I have it in the correct spot first. And then I'm going to glue this down, okay? So I have it positioned correctly. So now I'm going to just add hot glue around the perimeter. And okay, so now that you have your lip balm holder down, now we're going to go ahead and place the top portion down on top of it, like so. And then we're going to continue what we did with the first one. We're just going to go ahead and we're going to sandwich these two pieces together. Okay, now you can stop here if you wanted to, but I'm going to go ahead and add this extra little trim piece, and this will go right on top. And just take your time. Okay guys, now we are almost done. This is how we're looking so far. So I'm going to go ahead and add in this little strip of cardstock that I cut out, just to give it like a ribbon effect without actually having a ribbon on there. Okay, so I'm just going to sandwich these two pieces together. Okay, and the last step I did was I created this little bow here, and I'm just going to place that like on the side right here. Again, just to make it a bit more extra. Alright, and just like that, we are done. This is the finished look. This is super cute. I love the way this turned out. So let me know in the comment section below how you think it turned out. I think it turned out really, really cute, and I will be creating more of those. So if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you love the video, make sure you share it with your family and friends. And of course, if you try it out, don't forget to tag me. Until next time, guys. Bye.